If you want to reset your Bluehost website, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to remove your site content safely from Bluehost while keeping your website setup and domain in place. This is really useful if you want to start fresh, clean up a test site, or rebuild your website without going through the hassle of creating everything from scratch again. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple step-by-step software guides. Alright, let's get into it. First, log into your Bluehost account. Once you're inside your dashboard, look at the left-hand menu and click on Websites. This section is where Bluehost keeps all of your hosted sites, so this is the first place you need to go when you want to manage or reset a specific website. After that, find the website you want to reset. If you have more than one site on your account, take a moment here to make sure you select the correct one. Resetting the wrong site could remove important content, so it's always worth double-checking before you continue. Once you've found the right website, click Manage Site. This opens the settings and control panel for that specific site, giving you access to all the tools Bluehost provides for managing your installation. Now go to the Advanced tab. This is where Bluehost stores more technical options and site management tools, including the settings you'll need for resetting your website content. Inside the Advanced area, look for the Site Management section. This section is the key part of the process because it contains the controls for clearing out the content on your site. Here, you'll see an option called Delete Content Only. Select this if you want to reset the website while keeping the website setup and domain intact. This is the best option if you want a fresh start without losing your Bluehost site structure or your connected domain name. Before you confirm anything, read the warning carefully. Bluehost will clearly tell you that this action permanently removes the site's posts, pages, media, users, and comments. That means once you continue, the content is gone, so make sure you've backed up anything important before proceeding. If there's anything you might need later, such as images, page copy, or blog posts, save that first. If you're sure you want to continue, confirm that you want to delete the website content. This is the point of no return, so take a second to review everything one more time before clicking through. After that, wait for Bluehost to complete the reset. Depending on the amount of content on your site, this may take a few moments. You'll want to let the process finish fully before making any new changes or trying to build the site again. Once the reset is complete, your website will now have its content removed and you can set it up again from scratch. That means you're free to install a new theme, add fresh pages, publish new posts, or rebuild the site in a completely new direction. So that's it. Your Bluehost website has been reset the right way, and you've done it without needing to delete the entire account or domain setup. If this video helped, please give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.